Hi, Mr. Taylor. Our project is on Sirenidae. The kingdom is Animalia and Metazoa. The phylum is Chordata. The order is Chordata. The family is Sirenidae. Their genes is Preservative aquatic. The common name for this is aquatic salamanders. That's what we usually call them, salamanders. The general anatomy of the salamander looks like this. These are the frontal areas. It looks like sort of like a lizard, but it's kind of like a fat lizard. It's not really skinny as in like as a lizard. Its ribs are poking out instead of inward like humans do. And these are its hands over here, its legs, and its head. Its eyes are placed up here. This is his nasal, so his nose is up here. This is his maxilla. It's the front side. This is his radius, just like how we have our radius and ulna. Our radius and ulna is actually close together than this. His radius is on his neck, and his ulna is almost on his elbow. And he has that long neck and vertebra that goes down all the way to his tail. And that's their general anatomy. This is what it looks like. This has sort of coloredish skin, two different color skin, and if I looked at it, I would have guessed that would probably be a big lizard. This is the link to our YouTube video. I will tweet that to you. And food. What does it eat? So, to find food, it pokes around with its snouts and using the sense of smell. So pretty much it sniffs out its food. It usually eats white worms, melon worms, blood worms, and king worms. So any type of worms. They salamanders are not really picky on what they eat. They usually just eat whatever gets into their mouth. It's reproduction. So the adult breeding goes to the pool or the pond to mate. The females lay the milk eggs mass. So just like humans, the females make the eggs, even though humans don't have eggs. um, the eggs can be up to 4 inches across. The female attaches it to her underwater sticks or plant stems. They're about half an inch when they're born. They look a lot like tadpoles. They expect to have gills and branching out of their heads so they can breathe underwater. I think, for the question why, I think it happens outside the body, males, because the males do not have the glands for making the sperm in the packet, so the females don't have the sac for it. But for the question why of reproduction, I think it's the same as all animals, just like humans, for population and family reasons. They um, they have large eggs. They sometimes attach plants in groups. The majority of them need water to reproduce. Over 400 species of salamanders have been found throughout the world, about 140 found in North America. So most of them are found in North America. Over 40% of salamander species are regarded as at risk. So I guess they're going on the list of extinct animals or endangered species. So just like any other animals, any other living things, they have predators. Their predators are skunks, raccoons, turtles, chipmunks, squirrels, and opossum and snakes. As their egg and larva, salamanders are eaten by fish. So if there's an egg laying down, they might have got eaten up by a fish. Um, to protect themselves from these predators, they will burrow under logs and rocks where they can keep their skin moist, and not just only protect, and they also would just hide under, you know, big things to protect them onto upcoming endangered item towards them. There is an actual research done by Neil H. Shubin. He is comparing the difference between the earliest group of Seren- Sirenidae and the modern version of Sirenidae. So he's looking at the differences, what changed, just like we learned earlier, what mutated, maybe they mutated into something that's beneficial for them, or maybe they stayed the same, or maybe they got rid of something that they really didn't need it. And so that's pretty much his research. It it's actually published on the International Weekly Journal of Science, and that is where I read about it. These are our citation pages. If you need them, I can send you the links for it.